to serve the interests of the colonial powers, rather than the needs or realities of local populations. Let's see Basutana and Mujalifa in the classroom setting.
As you can see, the European powers are engaged in the race of colony. This is crucial for understanding our world today. Remember, our aim is to prepare for position in service of the colonial government.
So if you're going to teach us about your colonial narrative, we've had enough. What's our stories to be told?
You said I'm here to teach us about your tradition. Today's lesson is about Africa's biggest empires, starting off with the Basotho Kingdom. Before we start, can anyone give me any other movement or reasons?
Make your noise! But you learn about glory office. And watch is not so good. I said you're making a noise. Alright. Let's recap our previous lesson. Someone tell me why Hitler is in the truth. You at the branch.
Kaya ako sa pagsasabi, kaya tayo nagpapasok. Kaya tayo nagpapasok, at sa ito ang natin ito ba sa kasi mo ang sa kapasok. Kaya ito sa isulis, kamusura. Di ba kalau kita kasi, kung sa iyo ang Joy, cuma nanti.
And so it is, all the governments are perfectly in future, no